You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. It is a bit confusing and many people get it wrong. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned, I've got many more for you. The British English pronunciation, the way it's usually pronounced in the UK. Prohibitory. Prohibitory. Or some may say it a bit as prohibitory. Now, in American English, it's pronounced more as in the US. Prohibitory. Prohibitory. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.